Looking for the perfect waterfront home? Welcome to Windsor Condominiums, an ideal place to dock your boat or simply enjoy waterfront views. Just minutes to the beach, yet protected by a barrier island. This community offers the best of both worlds. As you arrive, the covered circular driveway provides welcoming, elegant entrance for you and your guests. Inside, this spacious two-bedroom, two-bathroom condo offers 1,460 square feet of comfortable living space, perfect for entertaining. The inviting sunroom overlooks the canal and pool deck, making it a versatile space for conversation, a workout area, or a peaceful home office. With monthly dues of just $768, the association takes care of everything, so you can enjoy worry-free waterfront living. From the Windsor, cruise down the Intracoastal to Sunrise Bay and the Coral Ridge Yacht Club. Or just head minutes down Bayview Drive to the Coral Ridge Country Club, where you'll find pools, tennis, and golf facilities. If you're ready to embrace life in the yachting capital of the world, give me a call. Karen Foster with Signature International Real Estate at 561-212-7769. For more details, click below or leave a comment and I'll be in touch. Don't forget to hit the subscribe if you're searching for a waterfront property in South Florida.